Drip, drip.
Came through dripping.
Drip, drip.
Came through dripping.
Drip, drip.
Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping.
Ice. Came through dripping.
Y'all, welcome back. I know I've been going for a long time, but here's a little update. So I just left the doctor's office and I have to get a surgery to take. Basically, he said I might have, what is it called? Endometriosis. I'm not sure. But basically, I get period pains and I've been getting them since I was little. So he's gonna basically do like a laparoscope, whatever. You know, I'm gonna put it in the description box. But y'all already know I hate saying those words. So he's gonna take a long camera that looks like a long needle and put it in my belly button, basically to check and see and take it out if that's what it is, and see if I have any more polyps. About that, this storage on these iPhones. Anyway, so I'm also gonna cook something for you guys, and you know, so everything's still going. I just wanted to take a break from all of that, but we'll be starting soon. November will be my surgery and I'm so excited. We're almost there. So we basically have like 6 healthy eggs, embryos, babies. So fingers crossed, let's see after the genetic testing how much survived. So let's see, fingers crossed. So here we are again. So this is just some garlic spinach that I love to do. Just get some spinach, get your peppers, cut it up, onions. I like red and green. I didn't have no yellow, but yellow, orange. Get the fire down, big saucepan, a little butter. Put your spinach in there. Sometimes I cut it up, it don't matter. Put a little water and honey. Oh yes, baby. It is the bomb. I just do that. And that's basically my little dinner with no meat. But mangoes, y'all already know. That's my weakness. Ooh, with the salt and pepper, Guyanese style. And when I want to get this tummy flat, this is my little secret, girls. So enjoy. Is this hat matching with my curtains? Wait a minute. How cute is this bonnet? Anyway, so how y'all guys been? So I am moving. Okay, that's the AC. Is that a pimple? Oh my